how to make a game R6 in Roblox Studio. So first, just open up your existing game, or you could also create a new game if you want, but I'm just going to create the existing game of mine right here. The first thing that you want to do is publish your game. So to do that, just simply go to the file at the top left, then just click on publish to Roblox. So mine is already published, but you just need to simply click on publish to Roblox right here. Now once it's done, just go to home right here, then click on game settings at the top, then wait for it to load. Now once you're here, you simply need to click on avatar on the menu right here. And as you can see, on default it is set to R15. You simply need to set it to R6 right here. Click on that, then click on save, and just click on yes. Then once that's done, you simply need to go to file again, then just click on publish to Roblox. So just go file, publish to Roblox. Now I could click on play. And that's how I basically make a game R6 in Roblox Studio.